But is it real?
Slice away fact from fiction.
Within the superfood lies a deep, dark secret.
Blend together some taste tests and squeeze out the truth.
For 1 gram of fat, we've now got 10 grams of fat.
Is it
Craving?
Join health guru Nikki Muller on her pursuit for the real food deal.
Let's investigate.
The Food Detectives, Tuesday nights at 9:45 on Nat Geo People. Have you seen a house that looks like it's straight out of a children's book? Or heard of an eco-friendly Earthship home? Join our
Hindi mo ko
host,
sa Bluetooth to. Ibinibidyo ko na ulit siya. Kaya dyan ako. Ibinibidyo ko pa bago. Hindi ko makupahinga sa Bluetooth eh. Gusto ko i-usap na Facebook. Alin? Oo, nakita ko na. Kaya natuwa doon sa report mo sa eskwela. Kaya nga kailangan mag-aaral ka lagi para ano, may binibigyan ka naman ng regalo ka satisfactory yung ano eh. Kung tamad mag-aaral eh, mag-aaral pagka magandang ano mo, mas maganda mahihingi mo.
Pagkita ko doon sa Facebook, meron ng gano'n.
Kumalik ko, gano'n nakagalaw. Nauga eh, na-bablog eh.
Kayo lang nilinig tayo. Kayo lang nilinig.
Malay na eh. Kaya nga ikasililikot ka pa.
And even a smoked whitefish torta sandwich with fried plantain and cilantro. It's really good. It's very different. Ay, caramba.
Teka tayo, sandal nyo, sige.
Sige, hindi naman mo yung